active transport, you need to actually spend money, you need to spend energy in order to do this. Why? Because you're going to be setting these things against their gradients. If you'd like to move water or substances from an area of low concentration to high concentration, you're going to need to spend some energy to do that. Agreed? Because that's not the way the world works. When I go on vacation, that's where I go, from an area of high concentrations of people to low concentration. So active transport, we talk about pumps. For instance, a sodium or a potassium pump. Anybody ever heard of those pumps before?
Yes.
We're actually taking and pumping sodium and potassium against their gradients. We're pumping them from an area of low concentration to already a high concentration so that they can leak back in again and keep a membrane potential. You'll learn all of that in your physiology class if you haven't learned it in biology already. Here's a couple of pictures that will help us. For instance, a sugar cube in a cup of water. Eventually the sugar cube will dissolve. Is it salt or sugar? I think it's sugar. And the idea with this little sugar cube, when it dissolves, it's going to go from an area of high concentration to low concentration until this is going to reach equilibrium in here, agreed? And by the way, if there's not a lot of sugar in here, this thing will go into what we call, starts with the letter S, chemistry majors, into suspension, right? Anybody ever add salt to water before?